Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix PlayStation Link USB adapter not working. Is your PlayStation Link USB adapter not working? Don't worry, there are several things you can try before assuming the adapter is faulty. First, unplug the adapter completely, restart your PS5 or PC, and then plug it back in once the system has finished booting. Next, try a different USB port, since some ports may provide a more stable connection than others. If you're using a Pulse Elite wireless headset or Pulse Explore wireless earbuds, you can also repair them with the adapter. Hold the button on the PlayStation Link USB adapter until its light starts flashing, then put your headset or earpods into pairing mode and wait for them to reconnect. On PS5, go to Settings, Sound, Audio Output, and make sure your headset is selected as the active audio device. If you're using a PC, open Device Manager, uninstall the PlayStation Link adapter, restart your computer, and reconnect the adapter so Windows can reinstall it automatically. These steps resolve most connection issues and should get your headset working again. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.